Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is September 27th, 2024, and this is my weekly market review. I'm reviewing the Russell 2000, that's IWM, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only because, as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. All right, let me minimize this, and let's maximize this chart right here, this quarterly chart, and let's see how this resizing stuff that hasn't been working here today. And I have to resize on it. It's changing the picture on me all the time now, too. Just want to give me a hard time today. All right, on this quarterly chart, as we can see, this Russell is still green. It's still hanging out above a yearly R1 at this time. In my virtual accounts, I do have a lot of lines on the Russell here where I do kind of trade this one here a little bit. And it's staying above all my areas and hasn't got anywhere near where I'm really that interested in trading it at this time where it's hanging out at. It's near this top fighting the supply. As you can see how it's having a hard time getting above these areas. But it is finding some support and staying above a yearly R1 at this time. And that's just what I see. Let's go down to the monthly chart and see what we see here. On the monthly chart, as we can see, this is like for the Russell having a 10 or 9 moving average, looking at like it's trending up, and this market is above that, meaning that we are in a bull market, a very bullish market at this time. A technical view, how some of us technical traders look at the market, and all. But we have a doji up here. We had a red doji last month. This month we have turned green, and all. The thing is, look like we're not going to get above this R2, this quarterly R2 at this time, and all. But it's still pretty strong bullish month. But that's what I see. Let's go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On the weekly chart, as we can see, this is one of the other things that I was trying to show last time. For the Russell, the green, I got a 50 and a 200 on here, first of all. 50 and 200. Now that the 50 is getting above the 200, showing that this thing is getting slightly more bullish, really a little stronger, more bullish type thing, with these candles hanging out here at the top. And the question is, will it actually get where it can close? I would say close above 225. Let's just say 225 to make it a round number. Because again, it's fighting this area up here, and this high. This is not even, and that would be our yearly high. Is that high right there? Can we actually even break that? And this was back in just July, and we had made that high, but right now, can we break that and go higher? Again, I'm not looking. That's only, like you say, $7. That doesn't seem like that much. But on the Russell, the Russell struggles to get above this level and stay above this level. So I can see us still fighting that and see what's going to happen in the next couple of months. Come on, the Russell. This is weekly chart, and as you can see how this thing has been just going sideways here the last few weeks, up and down in this area right now. Like I said, it seems like it has found maybe a tighter range where it may not drop back down below 200, and it may stay above 210 to 230. May be the new range for the Russell. But that's what I see. But let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and wrap this on up. On the daily chart, this is the crazy thing. The Russell was the only one that looked like it was trying to make a commitment to the downside. September's usually, we had with the whole quantitative analysis thing, September usually is a month where the market likes to go down. The Russell was slowly this week. The Russell, September, it had hit a bottom here, earlier in the month, and charged up, then it got up here near that top, what we could see before, and it's been slowly drifting down, and then come this week, it's been red days. Each day it's been opening up high, pulling back down, opening up high, going a little higher, pulling back down, and that's what we see. Come next week, they'll look like it's going to be open real close to pivot, look like. So what's going to happen next week is kind of like a toss of the coin. Is it going to actually try to go ahead and this trend looked like it's trying to reverse, but it's reversing on red candles, because you got higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs, but they are red candles. The thing is, what's going to happen next week? Are we going to end up making a little V right here with red candles and see this thing go higher? That's the crazy crap that the Russell can do. It makes for some strange trading, to trade this thing and try to scalp this thing, because it's just it's one of those crazy ones to trade and all. But that's what I see here on this daily chart. It is trying, look like it just based on the candles and not paying the colors any attention. It is trying to go higher, but be careful. Trade based on your plan, your strategy, and all, and trade accordingly. That's all I can say. And that's it. That's all I really want to share here on the Russell. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye.